Amy with Twin Fireworks.
Hi, I'm Carly.
So today we are talking about the Assortments top 5, right?
Yeah.
What we sold the most in the season 2026.
Yeah, so to start off, we have our backpack assortments.
Mhm.
So for these ones, they are packed 12 to 1 in a case, so you'll get 6 of each color, the pink and the blue. These ones are super fun for kids. They're full of some little fountains, some novelty toys, and some sparklers in the back as well. They're just a super fun variety, and they're good for any backyard or family event.
Yeah, so if you haven't noticed, that this is actually a bigger size than the most on the market. So I think the other ones are this big, if I remember correctly. I did see them.
Alright, and then next up we have our duffel bag that's in the back here. So this one's also a great variety as well. These are good for bigger family backyard shows. They come with some 200 cakes, Roman candles, some little novelties for kids to play and for the parents to have a good time as well. Just a good assortment.
Yeah, so I believe we did a video on this and we opened it up and then pulled the things out, right,
Yeah.
for people. So if you want to know the details of the content, we could just check out our other video.
Yes. Alrighty, and then next up we have our kids sack here in the front. So this one is just got some little poppers and sparklers for kids in them. They've got a good variety in them, just for all the fun things for daytime and for nighttime as well.
Yeah, I believe the packing is 24 in 1.
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, this price-wise is at a very good point. Yeah. All right. Okay. So.
And then we also are gonna do our next 2 assortments are our Beast assortment and our Son of Beast. So we will show you in the next clip about those.
Yes. So we are outside in our container area because the Son of Beast and Beast are too big to fit in our office.
Yes.
There's no way we can carry that in there. So we're gonna show you out here. Could you open the container? Thank you. All right. Woo, it's hot in here. So this is the Beast. It's in this container. It's actually taller than me. And you want to get closer? Mm-hmm. Okay. And then the Son of Beast.
Yeah, so the Son of Beast is back here. It's a bit of a smaller scale as compared to the Beast, but it's still very powerful. They both come with lots of cakes and Roman candles. The Beast is actually the biggest assortment in the industry, so it comes with a lot of variety, and it's definitely well worth the money. In our retail store, also, we have a deal where you can get the Beast, and when you buy the Beast, you get the Son of Beast as well. So it's just a really great deal, and a lot of variety with both of these.
Yeah, if you use that deal, we are sure these will go really fast. And also, it makes sense, right? So the Beast really has a lot of cakes and bigger cakes and an artillery shells, the bigger shells. So like you said, the Son of Beast has a few more smaller items, but still very, very good assortment. So here we are. Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Visit www.twinfireworks.com or email info@twinfireworks.com to buy. Don't forget to subscribe to the Twin Fireworks channel and like and share our video with your friends.